Start.
Hello friends, my name is Surjavo and welcome to my channel Technical Surjavo. This is my first day to teach you computer, and today I want to discuss about the topic of how to create a folder and rename it. First, I have to start with what is a computer.
Start.
Well, a computer is a machine that accepts input from a computer and displays from an output. This is the technical definition of a computer. A computer consists of a monitor, a CPU, a keyboard, a mouse, and for music system or sound system we use speakers, and external devices printer. And there are some operating system that need to be run when we use a computer. For example, Windows. Today I am discuss about the Windows 7 of how to create a folder and rename it. To create a folder, you have to click the right click of your mouse and one option and one drop down menu comes. In the drop down menu, there is one option called new and one arrow is there. For the new option, you will see a folder option is there. The first one, you have to single click on the folder option, and in the desktop a folder comes, new folder. And if you want to change the name, you can change it. Suppose for tomorrow or one month after or 1 year after, you have got a name to put it on the new folder you have created. How do you create? First you have to single click the folder, then right click on the folder and one big drop down menu comes. You have to see that there are many options. It is very difficult to find it, but at the third last option is rename. Approximate third last is rename, and you have to single click on that option, and in the desktop the name of the folder will be highlighted in blue or sometimes green in Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8. But you have to type the name, and when you type the name, you have to in the left you have to click you have to click the left key option of the mouse in the blank space of the desktop, and the new name which you have typed now will be displayed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.